Namaskar dosto. It's my privilege to come to you with a presentation on a very beautiful poem, Keeping Quiet. At this juncture of time, when you are all locked down at home and normal classroom teaching learning is not possible. But as has been said, when the going gets tough, the tough get going. We also will get going. Actually, we never had expected ourselves to be strangled like this in a closed apartment, doing nothing, not able to go shopping, not enjoying our money that we had always been on a run for. वो पैसा जिसको कमाने के लिए, बढ़ाने के लिए और बढ़ाते ही जाने के लिए दुनिया सुबह से शाम तक बस दौड़े ही जा रही थी. Not bothering about own health, nor about others, about family and friends. We in a race for development cared for none but one, and that is money and material. We wounded the nature, made it bleed profusely. We harmed the earth, made a hell of the Adam's garden. पैसे की इस दौड़ में हमने न पर्यावरण को छोड़ा, न परिवार की परवाह की, न दोस्तों के साथ समय बिताया. And we didn't even bothered our own health. एक मशीन जैसे बनकर बस लगे थे पैसा कमाने, नाम कमाने और सुविधाएं जुटाने जो लोग, वो आज असहाय से पड़े हैं. कोई एक कमरे में, कोई दो, कोई चार और कोई महल जैसे घर में. But did you give a thought to the positive side of all this? क्या आपने विचार किया हमारे जरा से ठहर जाने से बहुत कुछ पॉजिटिव भी हुआ है? जरा सोचिए, we are spending a more quality time together with our family today. Many of us have started thinking over the futility of the blind race for accumulating heaps and heaps of money which we are not able to enjoy anymore in the face of this emergency. A great fall in crime rate, very few news on murders, rapes, robberies, etc. And the greatest of all, nature rejuvenating itself, pollution falling down to a surprisingly low level. और ये सब हुआ जो हम घड़ी भर के लिए ठहर गए. दौड़ते दौड़ते कभी पल भर के लिए ठहरना और ठहर कर अपने एक्शंस की कंसीक्वेंसेस पर विचार करना भी जरूरी है दोस्तों. And this very thing Pablo Neruda wants to state in his very beautiful poem Keeping Quiet. जी हाँ, पैब्लो नेरूडा ने तो बहुत पहले ही ये बात अपनी सुंदर सी पोएम कीपिंग क्वाइट में कह दी थी. कौन पैब्लो नेरूडा? अरे भाई, नोबेल प्राइज विनिंग चिलियन पोइट पैब्लो नेरूडा. पैब्लो नेरूडा तो उनका पेन नेम था, उनका वास्तविक नाम तो नेफ्टाली रेस वसुएल्टो था. आपको पता है, पैब्लो नेरूडा को द ग्रेटेस्ट पोइट ऑफ द 20th सेंचुरी इन एनी लैंग्वेज कहा गया है. तो चलिए वापिस आते हैं उनकी फेमस पोएम कीपिंग क्वाइट की ओर. इस पोएम में पोइट हम सब के घड़ी भर के लिए ठहर कर और शांत होकर अपने क्रियाकलापों और व्यवहार के बारे में आत्मनिरीक्षण और आत्मचिंतन करने की आवश्यकता पर बल देता है, क्योंकि ऐसा करने से मनुष्यों में पारस्परिक समझ विकसित होगी और हमारी बहुत सी समस्याओं का निदान हो पाएगा. So at the very outset, I would give a model reading to the poem. I advise you to listen to it carefully. Here we start. Now we will count to 12 and we will all keep still. For once on the face of the earth, let's not speak in any language. Let's stop for 1 second and not move our arms so much. It would be an exotic moment. Without rush, without engines, we would all be together in a sudden strangeness. Fishermen in the cold sea would not harm whales, and the man gathering salt would look at his hurt hands. Those who prepare green wars, wars with gas, wars with fire, victory with no survivors, would put on clean clothes and walk about with their brothers in the shade, doing nothing. What I want should not be confused with total inactivity. Life is what it is about. I want no truck with death. If we were not so single-minded about keeping our lives moving and for once could do nothing, perhaps a huge silence might interrupt this sadness of never understanding ourselves and of threatening ourselves with death. Perhaps the earth can teach us, as when everything seems dead and later proves to be alive. Now I'll count up to 12 and you keep quiet and I will go.